Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I have some exciting cryptocurrency news for you. Exciting for me. This hits home a little bit. So I wanted to dive into that news. I want to check out the market just a little bit and go on from there. So let me bring up the article here. So this is talking about Avnet. And Avnet is a Fortune 500 company and it's headquartered here in Phoenix, where I live. And several years ago when I first started doing video production as my career, I did some videos for Avnet, and they were the client of the company that I was doing videos for. So really neat. And so let's kind of dive into this article here. Fortune 500 company, and this article is by Max Jakubowski, and I'm going to put a link down below where you can find this whole article. And this is from Cointelegraph. Fortune 500 company Avnet works with BitPay to add Bitcoin Cash payment option. That is the title of this article. Really cool. Already has me interested. I'm always excited to see about companies adding cryptocurrency as payment methods. So I'm just going to go ahead and read this whole article for you. It's very short. Avnet Incorporated, one of the world's largest distributors of electronic components and technology solutions providers, has announced a collaboration with crypto payment processor BitPay to accept cryptocurrency for the company's services and products. The development was disclosed in an official press release on March 19th, which is today. That is really cool. So it just happened. It just happened a few hours ago, and really exciting. So let me continue on and read some more of this. Avnet Incorporated, which has been listed on Fortune 500 for 24 years, had an annual revenue in 2018 of more than $19 billion. The press release writes that Avnet will accept payment with Bitcoin, BTC, or Bitcoin Cash, BCH, while BitPay will verify the purchased funds and complete the transaction. The company has also announced that it had closed several multi-million-dollar cryptocurrency transactions within the first month of accepting Bitcoin, specifying that this also includes their work with Bitcoin.com on a new hardware wallet. The ability for the company to accept crypto will give Avnet customers more options for completing their financial transactions, according to the company. The press release states, by accepting Bitcoin as a payment option, Avnet is continuing to break down the barriers customers face when getting their ideas to market by enabling easier access to its unique end-to-end ecosystem of design, product, marketing, and supply chain expertise at every stage of the product's lifecycle. As Cointelegraph reported on January 30th, BitPay was also partnered with the Wikimedia Foundation and nonprofit and charitable organizations that operates Wikipedia to provide the possibility to accept donations in cryptocurrency. And earlier today, leading Swiss online retailer Digitec Galaxus announced that it would accept 10 different cryptocurrencies as payment for its products. Isn't that exciting? So if you happen to purchase products through Avnet, you can now use cryptocurrency or Bitcoin to do that. And it's a pretty big company, Fortune 500, and it's here close to home. The headquarters is like 25 miles from my house, so it's really cool. So this article is very relatable to me, and it's really exciting news, and it's exciting for cryptocurrency market and as a whole, regardless of what your favorite crypto coins are. I actually don't invest too much in Bitcoin by itself. My largest holding is in a privacy coin called Deep Onion. And then I have some Ethereum and some other, several other coins in my portfolio. But I'm always excited to hear this kind of news. It's just really great for the cryptocurrency market as a whole. So there you go, a little bit of cryptocurrency news for you. Now let's go ahead and just take a quick look at the market on CoinMarketCap. So here we go. The market is up to $140.6 billion, which is pretty awesome. It's going up a little bit. We're seeing some green areas. Just really, really, really cool to see. Ethereum's up a little bit. Bitcoin is over that 4,000 price mark, which is really good to see. Let me check out my favorite coin. Onion is down, so don't let that number fool you. It's down almost 10%, but it had a 25% spike earlier, so it was only natural to have a retracement, a bit of a pullback. So there we go. Pretty cool. The market, I wouldn't quite say that it's a bull run yet, but it's always positive when 5 to 10 billion dollars get put back into the crypto market. So here is to hoping that we can get up to 1 trillion. Oh yeah, that would be awesome. Anyway, I'm Matt Taylor. This is my variety channel, bringing you another cryptocurrency news segment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I have a new video. I have all kinds of videos that I post. That's why it's my variety channel. And make sure to check out my cooking channel, In the Kitchen with Matt, if you'd like to learn how to cook some pretty awesome, cool things. All right, until next time, happy investing, everyone.